Commandment number 6, being engaged. Not this kind. I'll explain. Let's go! Okay, so have you ever been to a club or a festival and you're looking at the DJ and he's doing this the whole night? Or the guys with the laptop looking at the mixer again. Laptop, mixer, laptop. That's not being engaged with the crowd. I mean, there are 10,000 people looking at you and the only thing you are doing as a DJ is looking down. Trying to beat match, trying to find your next song, or looking at your laptop the whole night. What's fun about that? If you really want to evolve from being a regular DJ to a rockstar DJ, you really need to know how to engage with your crowd. And that means stop looking down or at your laptop and stop watching your crowd. Make eye contact with whoever, even if there's nobody watching you. Keep looking up, keep looking in the crowd and point fingers. Yeah, yeah, go, 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 come on man, yeah. That's how you do it. Because if you're a professional DJ or doing it on a regular basis, you should be able to beat match without looking down. Also, you should know all your songs and be able to find the next song that you want to play in 5 to 10 seconds. Don't get me wrong, I also look down, but not for that long. Let's say an average song is 3.5 minutes. From the 3.5 minutes, you only play the first and the second verse, right? So from the 3.5 minutes, you only play 2 minutes from the song. The first 15 seconds is intro, and then in the last chorus or the third or the second chorus, you mix it out. That means that you have 2 minutes to find the next song and beat match. So if you can do it in 1 minute, that leaves you 1 minute for every 3 minutes to engage with your crowd. That's the difference between just being a regular DJ that looks down the whole night and being a rock star. Yeah! It doesn't only look better, but the crowd will appreciate you even more on a personal level. So let's say you're the DJ that looks down the whole night. Nobody has this personal connection with you. And suddenly, lights go out. Music stops. What's going to happen? Boo, DJ! I knew you were whack! You whack-ass DJ! My cousin can DJ better than you! I can do it better than you! My grandmother can DJ better than you! Boo! So now let's say you are the DJ that has been connecting with everybody. Taking selfies. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Yeah, 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 yeah. Selfies. High-fiving everybody. Clap. Watching. Pointing. Yo. Making eye contact. Yeah, look at that guy DJ dancing. Yeah, yeah, he's cool. You know. Making everybody happy about themselves. And now suddenly lights go out. Music stops. People are not going to boo you because they think you're cool now. Now they're going to whistle. Breathe. I don't know how to whistle with my fingers. So breathe, breathe. They're going to do this, making the hearts. Yeah, go DJ, go DJ. No worries, we love you, man. Shit happens. Don't worry about it. We still love you, man. It's a whole different thing. So that's why engage with your crowd. Be everybody's friend. Make eye contact the whole time. If somebody is dancing, don't shame them. Give them power. Props, man. You did some sick moves over there, man. I'm going to do them too. And then you pretend that you're dancing in the booth as well. Yeah. When a girl comes, high-fiving, you do this thing, you know, giving her a twirl. So yeah, baby. Yeah, I got you. Yeah. Being everybody's friend. Engage with your crowd and they will love you. Commandment number 6. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace. Yeah. Peace out.